Motorsport. Fenrir's Motorsport. So unfortunately, not a good start. The typhoon that went through the area probably 2 months ago wiped out the pier, so we're not going on the island. For anyone coming to Hashima Island in the future, March 31st is the predicted time frame that they're looking at having it repaired by. I can't fix that. There's nothing. I've been to 3 companies and all of them are saying that they're not landing on the island anymore. So as you can see, here's the bay. The bay is beautiful. I'm just on top of the wharf area now, and yeah, so hopefully in the next hour or so we'll get on the tour and see what it's like from the boat. Thanks again.
They abandoned it almost overnight.
got off the boat. Unfortunately, I asked a question I probably shouldn't have. I asked the tour guide whereabouts and what building number they filmed the Skyfall scenes in, and turns out it was computer graphics. So there was only a couple of scenes that they actually used Skyfall for, and that was him coming in on the main boat, and you see it in the background. Anyway, there's a Hollywood Hollywood moment that's crushed in my mind. But yep, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Some of the footage was really good. I do highly recommend it. This behind me, as you can see, is the bay. That bridge down the back there apparently is the tallest in height in Japan, I think, is what the guy was trying to explain to me. A nice cruise liner there. So we'll catch you on the next video. Basically going to be at the Nismo Festival, I believe. So watch this space.